Good morning, people. It's Monday. How was your weekend? We got a few calls today. We have a first call of replacing some cartridges, and then the second call we're going to do is for a backflow test. And after that, I think we got an estimate for a toilet install. So it's kind of a light day. It's decent. You know, if you're following along with my channel, or maybe you're brand new to this video, me and my wife just started our plumbing company full on in January, and it's October. I just ran that red light. That's cool. And we don't do any advertising, so, well, we do like very minimal advertising, like on social media sites, but we don't pay like Google or Yelp or anything like that. So we're doing pretty good as far as generating leads and calls. You know, we're doing it old school, word of mouth, which has been nice. And yeah. So there are days when I don't have anything, you know, and I'm dedicating that day to business stuff because my wife works another job. So pretty much I try to do as much as I can for the business until we can get to a place to where she can come on full time. So yeah, we got 3 calls today. Calls come in on Mondays, so see how that goes. But yeah, man, I will see you at the job, dude. Alright, man, we just finished up that call and everything went pretty smooth. There was a moment where I thought it still was continuing to leak, but it didn't. It just had to empty out a little bit, which is normal. But yeah, got it figured out and we are getting a call. So give me a moment here. Alright, that was a customer who has roots in his line, and we are going to start by jetting the line to get that cleared up. But the truck jetter is booked out all this week, so we're gonna see if we can fit him in. Otherwise, it's not gonna be till next week. But anyway, we are on our way right now to the supply house before our next call for the backflow test. And yeah, man, we'll pop in there in a minute.
You gotta blow air and
All right, so my order for this backflow, I ordered test cocks. They're not in. They're two of them won't be delivered till tomorrow, and the others won't be delivered for another 2 days. So I gotta drive to Anaheim now to pick them up, which is kind of annoying, but anyway. I gotta drive about 30 minutes up and then another 30 back. I ordered more to keep in stock so I don't have this issue, but man, it's part of the little things of growing a company, dude. You know, you're trying to develop inventory, or you're trying to accumulate inventory to where you don't have this issue. And yeah, man, I have 3 of them. And, or no, I have 2 of them. I have 2. I need 3. It's crazy. So anyway, man, we're on it. All right, so on that backflow test, the relief valve wasn't opening, so we're gonna give them an estimate to either rebuild or replace. Definitely recommending replacing, not rebuilding. I think when I was looking initially for the test cocks for those, the cost was friggin' high, dude. So we're gonna recommend just replace it, and we'll throw it in and retest. So I think the other call got canceled, so we are going to go on a scavenger hunt to find a extension for a backflow test tomorrow. So we'll go on that hunt. All right, man, so track down what I need. You'll see tomorrow, we're gonna be doing a backflow test on, I think it's an 8-inch valve. And I was trying to figure out a way to extend the dip tube. And I think I'm gonna expand PEX and then pop it on. So we'll see how that works. But yeah, man, the day is over, dude. I gotta call the homie. And I just got the packages sent out for, we did a giveaway on Instagram, and I finally got the rest of the package shipped out to the winner. And so yeah, dude, I will see you guys tomorrow on Tuesday. Peace.